Did you hear that? Today we will make spring rolls and give them an Indian twist with masaledar paneer stuffing, which are sure to impress. For making the filling, take some paneer in a vessel. Crumble it with your fingers so that it can combine well with all other ingredients. To this, add shredded processed cheese to elevate its richness and flavor. Next, add chopped capsicum to this. The flavor of capsicum goes really well with the cheese and paneer. For the heat, add some chili flakes. Add salt as per your preference. Then add roasted cumin powder and chopped coriander leaves. Give all this a quick mix. Then for binding, add some corn flour. This will also help in soaking any excess moisture in the mixture. Mix this and form a crumbly dough. Then take a handful of the mixture and press and form a cylindrical shape. Like this, portion out the fillings and keep aside for later. For the coating, take spring roll sheets which are very easily available at supermarkets. Next, as you would peel off the plastic cover of a new phone, peel the sheets off each other. Then make a quick flour slurry by combining some flour and water. Make sure your slurry would be thick like this. Place a spring roll sheet over a dry surface and place the filling in the middle. Fold from the sides and hold the folds in the middle with your fingers. Now fold from the back tightly until you have encased the filling like this. Then brush some flour slurry and fold it to seal it. This is the method for folding your spring rolls. We will show you again so you can learn easily. Place the filling in the middle of the spring roll sheet. Fold the sheets from the sides to the middle and hold them with your fingers. Now fold tightly from the back as shown. Then apply the flour slurry and fold it to seal it securely. Now for frying, heat some refined oil for deep frying. Then place the rolls in batches into the kadhai and fry them on low to medium flame. Slowly cook it so that both the fillings and the outer layer are cooked. Once the rolls are golden brown, drain most of the oil in the kadhai and take them off. Serve them hot, sprinkled with some chaat masala along with some ketchup. If you love this recipe, please give it a like, and until next time, happy cooking!